Hello, so I'm Jackson Studner, and this is my entry for the September build project. So this is a whole tower, but we'll get to that. The idea here was I just wanted to get rid of a bunch of crap I've had lying around. So the tower was the first thing. It's been in my backyard for probably 3-4 years now. Found at a garage sale. Guy just gave it to me, didn't want to deal with it. So had that lying around. It's huge, it's heavy, it was a pain to get up here. It's meant to be mounted into like a cement block, but I've just got it hooked to the barn with a bunch of these U-brackets. And then I got it up and I was thinking, okay, what am I putting on this thing? So up at the top, way up there, that thing over there, that is a weather tower and it broadcasts weather data. The idea is it sends it over the internet to a program called Weather Underground. I can get it on my phone. I did set up this power box at the bottom, which runs power to some of the other stuff up there. And that I tried to set up a little screen in here using a, what do you call it? Like a toy weather station. It's, what's the name of it? National Geographic or the Weather Channel, something like that. It's their toy weather station. I use the receiver from that. But we'll make our way up here. It's going to be a real awkward video for a second, because climbing this pole one-handed ain't easy. Also the sun. So at about halfway up here, we have the power junction. This box. This holds about, all the little sensors that can't get rained on and needed to be a little bit further down the pole. And it also holds the junction cable. So I ran a power box up here. It's just a 3-plug cable cord, and that powers the camera and the little rain catch sensor thingamajig. In addition to that, I also have this little rain and pressure sensor here. Again, that is from the National Geographic weather station. Getting a little bit higher up, there's a solar panel on the side here. This little guy powers some little string lights that just blink at night. It's nice so people can see where the tower is. I doubt anybody's gonna fly into it where I am, but it's nice to have. And almost at the top here, ooh, I kicked it. Almost at the top here we have the main feature. Now the big thing about this is it's in 2 parts. Mainly I didn't think I was gonna be able to get it up here easy. So the directional components are over here on a PVC pipe. So that is wind speed and wind direction. And they have to face north so that I can get an idea of where it's going. So I didn't want to attach them to this thing because I was nervous about, dropping it when I was trying to get it aligned. So big features on this, I'd say, are that camera right there. Probably my favorite so far. It's very nice to have. This wind turbine on the top, which so far has only worked once. It was very windy. It's not very useful. And this solar panel here, hopefully you can see that. Solar panel does most of the work, though I do have that black cable right there. Runs power from the base, which is hooked to the batteries. It felt necessary. It should be able to run without it, but I'm not technical enough to do that math, so I just added it up anyway. This white thing on the bottom looks like a pine cone, is a hygrometer. Now, I have mentioned this on Instagram, but I've just taken it out. I added a little door on the bottom, 3 pins. I have to replace it because it just won't work anymore. I'm not sure if it got water damaged or whatnot, but it stopped working entirely. Luckily, it's like the easiest part to get to. There's a rain catch, so it collects rain in the top there. And the idea is there's a little bucket that dumps back and forth and counts how much rain there is. Same thing as the one down there, but higher up. It has the wind speed and wind direction, rain, temperature, humidity, and pressure in the pine cone. And that's literally all it does. I had added other sensors into it, but none of them were particularly useful. There was an air pressure sensor, again, didn't work. All this is stuff I had in a box from garage sailing. So, take what you can get, and that's about it. I do have an actual weather station up there that my parents bought a while ago. It's not really hooked up to anything. It's got a panel in the house. It's not internet connected, but It's nice to have. Gives them a little display in the kitchen. And that's been it so far. It's a lot of fun. It's nice being up here, but I'm going to end the video there and get down and probably not fall off. That would be nice. Regardless, I wish everyone luck in the September build competition. Peace out.